Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshots without power button in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. If power button is not working in your phone, if you would like to use other method of taking screenshot, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just first of all go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. So here I go to Google Chrome, and from this page I would like to take a screenshot. Okay, to take a screenshot, use palm swipe. Okay, with palms edge of our hand, just swipe from the right side to left side or left side to right side, and a screenshot will be taken. See here. Okay, so without power button you can take a screenshot. There's also another method for taking screenshot without power button. Just go to the settings in your phone first, then go to accessibility, then go to interaction and textuality, and go to assistant menu. Just turn on assistant menu, give all permissions. This is assistant menu. Just go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot, and I go to Google Chrome page and click on the assistant menu icon, and there you will get screenshot icon. Just click it, and yes, screenshot be taken. So in these two methods you can take a screenshot without using power button. Okay, usually you will use power button and volume down button together to take a screenshot. Okay, if buttons are not working, you can use palm swipe method or assistant menu method. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.